Hello everyone. I am Mehul Aswar. I am a GDSC lead for SIESGST. I welcome you all on behalf of Google Developer Student Club. Okay, so as you all know, we are here to know more about what is solution challenge and all. So let us see what is actually a solution challenge moving ahead. Next slide, please. Okay, so these are a few things that we are going to cover in next 40 minutes. We'll first take an overview of what is solution challenge and then we move forward as mentioned over here. Next slide. So let us start with a something different, some interesting topic that I recently came across. Whenever we wanted to work on some new thing, the hardest part is getting started. But if we think in this way, what if there were no limits to whatever we think or कोई टेक्नोलॉजिकल कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है हमें कोई भी चीज शुरू करनी है या अगर हम ऐसा सोचे कि ओके कोई हम जो चीज करेंगे उसका एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होगा आगे जाके और वॉट एवर रिसोर्सेज वी हैव सो what I think is he just don't think much and start with whatever resources you have. In the process, the important thing is you should enjoy the journey rather than the thinking ki, okay, I don't have this skills or I don't have that skill. How will I succeed? To know more about this, let us see a video. Next slide. Did you like it? Isn't it something new which we have seen today? Okay, just stop it. Okay. Yeah, next slide, previous slide. Okay. Yeah, so did you like it? This was something new which we have learned today that if you want to start something new, just don't think too much and start with whatever energy, whatever resources you have. And as we have seen in this moonlighting video, you will at the end of the your journey, you will achieve everything you always wanted to. So with this positive mindset and energy, let us start let us start with the motto of the session, that is what is solution challenge. So if I'll give you in one word what is solution challenge, it is a hackathon powered by Google, a hackathon which is based on United Nations 17 sustainable goals, which was created in 2015 to cater to all the serious issues that we are facing in today's world. So basically, the United Nations and Google Developer Student Club collaborated together to solve all the 17 sustainable goals using Google technologies. To know more about this, let us see a small video which will give you a more clarity about what is solution challenge and what are the 17 sustainable goals. Can you please play the video? Okay. Did you got a idea about what are these 17 sustainable development goals, which are popularly called as SDGs? So with this, let us see what is solution challenge. Right. So basically, so if I summarize everything, if you just have to pick a local problem based on the sustainable goal development goals that you can see on this that you saw, and build a solution. You need to have a one. You need to use one Google technologies in your solution. Otherwise, your solution will be disqualified. And also, the solution should be in accordance to at least one of the 17. At least your solution need to solve one sustainable goals that we just saw. Okay, next slide. So let us see what is the program timeline. So the registrations are already started on January 11. You can even Google it and just see everything about Solution Challenge. You just need to Google Solution Challenge 2023 and you will get a website. Over there. Everything is mentioned, the 17 sustainable goals and everything. I'll just go through the timeline. So the solution challenge registrations are started on January 11. There was an event on January 18, which was organized by Google. And then basically January to March is your build, learn and build phase. So this hackathon is not like 24 hours or 48 hours hackathon. Here you have 3 months to build a solution. So it even doesn't matter. You don't know anything at this stage. Just pick a problem statement, select a sustainable development goals, pick choose your team and start brainstorming. Once you get the solution, then look around which Google technologies you can use. Then you can even learn that Google technology in 1 to 2 months and then design a solution. It doesn't matter all the first years who are here. If please don't hesitate to participate in this. If even if you're feeling कि okay यार मुझे कुछ नहीं आता अभी, how will I participate, मुझे क्या क्या मैं डिजाइन करूंगा, एक बार घुस जाओ प्रोसेस में. Because hackathons are meant to give you the challenge कि okay why is this name solution challenge, because this is given this will give you a challenge to learn that particular technology and then implement it for your solution. So just make a team, start brainstorming and choose a solution. Even if you make a simple basic HTML ka website, that will be the great thing for you considering your first year, or anyone who want to even submit the solution. So it doesn't matter the solution is like you have made a website, you have made an app or anything. The main thing is ki the solution need to have an impact on that 17 sustainable goals that we have seen. So the submissions will start from March 17 and will continue till March 31. What you have to do is we will discuss this in next slides as well. So basically till March 31, you need to build a working application for whatever solution you are thinking for around the sustainable goal you selected. So you need to like submit a slide including a demo video which will explain your working application, like what your application do, what technology you have used. Over the next few months, we will conduct many sessions on this as well, ki how to record a video or how what things you should include in the slides and all the technical sessions that you will be requiring in completing your solutions. So don't worry about that. In April, the April is the basically the evaluation stage wherein your solution will be evaluated. Then top 100 global team winners will be announced. And in May, the mentorship phase will start from Google experts. Basically, whatever solution you have presented, they will help you to even like take that solution to next level, what improvements you can do in everything. And trust me guys, the expertise or the guidance that this Google experts provide is very is next level. Like you can't define it. They will tell you everything about how can you improve and everything. So in June, final solution submission will be there after the improvements and everything. So you will have a dedicated mentor who will help you to take your solution to the next level. And then in June 19, you will have a top 10 global team winners announced. And basically on August 3, you will have a final demo day, basically the finale you can consider. So this is basically a deadline. You will get the slides or you can even take the screenshots. Okay, next slide. You can always drop your questions in the chat section. We will answer it in at the end of the session. Okay, so why to participate in solution challenge? Prizes for learning करना ही है, but there are like prizes भी है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे prizes है, not even just the normal prizes. So first of all, even if you just participate, you will get um, like first all participants will get a Google developer digital profile badge. So you will need to make a Google developer profile, and I'll share it how to make it. So don't worry about it. So on that you will get a badge ki, okay, you are a participant of solution challenge. And then you will also get a solution challenge ka certificate, which is of importance because it will be co-branded by a solution challenge, sorry, United Nations and Google Developer Student Club. So you can even flex about it. Okay, you have participated in your first year only. I'm talking about the FEs. Next is key top 100 teams. So top 100 teams, you will get a customized mentorship from Googlers and expert to take their solutions to the next level. Also, the solution challenge branded T-shirt and top 100 solution challenge certificate. You are in top 100, so you will get something, some recognition out of it. Top 10 finalists will also will get a chance to present their solution on the demo day. Demo day is basically the finale. You will also get a swag box, and obviously the swags will be very good. You know, GDSC provides a lot of swags to everyone, even the single participants. So, and social recognition on Google Developer Instagram page, Google Student Instagram page, you will get a social recognition. Then you can showcase your solutions to all the Googlers and developers around the world, because the demo day will be held, will be live on YouTube, and everyone over the in the world can see it. And top 10 solution challenge certificate also you will get. Okay, so beside this, what you will get is every participant of the team. Suppose you have four members in your team. Every participant will get $1,000. It is not like okay पूरे team को 1,000. Every participant will get $1,000. Whoever will be the finalist. That means top 10 teams का हर एक finalist को $1,000 मिलेंगे. Next is if you are in top three winners. That's what we all want to be. We will try. I'm also going to be a participant of this challenge, so I'll also be with you only. So in addition to the swag box and everything, the top three winners, each participant of the top three winners will get $3,000, and also the Google developer का blog पे आपका solution feature होगा officially. So this is something very good for your profile as well. And you may be thinking कि okay यार globally है तो what are the chances of us being in the winners list or finalist list. Note this point. Last year, there were people who were from Navi Mumbai itself, from Bharati Vidyapit College, and also one student is from SIS as well. They were in top 52 out of 100, and in India, they were in top 3. So there are possibilities. you just need to think good solution for the sustainable development around the sustainable development goals, and you will have a chance to be in top 10 finalist. Okay. Just focus on the impact you're creating while designing the solution. That's the only key for this challenge. Next slide. Okay, so this is the basically a submission criteria. I'll recommend all of you to take a screenshot because I'll share the slides, but maybe if you don't get it on time, you can refer it your own screenshot. So this is like how this is what is required while submitting. You can consider this as your questions that will be asked while submitting your responses. So project setup up, like how clearly you have described the challenge or the problem statement you have selected around the sustainable development goal. Then uh, आपने कितना अच्छे से आपका architecture and whatever you have designed implementation explain किया है. Also, whether your working application is working properly or not. Are there any bugs in it or everything? So you need to test it as well. You need to get the feedback of real participants and everything. You need there are points assigned to it as well. Then total overall solution, there are 5 points for that, and how you can scale the particular solution you have designed, like what you can do next with that particular solution. So we have points for that as well. Okay. You can take a screenshot of this and we will share the slides as well. Next slide. Next slide, Siddesh. Okay. So, how to create a problem statement? Because, okay, sorry. Uh, सो आई ऑल्सो टेल यू कि क्या जज किया जाएगा, आपको सोल्यूशन को किस बेसिस पे जज किया जाएगा. सो व्हाट इम्पैक्ट यू आर क्रिएटिंग, फर्स्टली दैट इज way more important than everything. Whatever problem statement you have selected, whether that problem statement is helping really to solve that particular sustainable goal or not. You can read read the 5 questions, read the 5 statements that are there under the impact section, एंड यू कैन जस्ट फोकस ऑन इट कि ओके आपका जो भी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है वो उसके अंडर फॉल हो रहा है कि नहीं. सो on basis of that the judges will give you 25 points. And also the technology, as I mentioned, you need to use one Google technology at least in your solution to design your solution. So वो आपने अच्छे से किया है कि नहीं, whether you have used the correct Google technology and how effectively you have used whatever Google technologies you have selected. Okay, next slide. Yeah, okay. The main important thing is to create your problem statement, because here they didn't gave us like every like as a different specific problem statement. They have just given us the sustainable goal, so you need to design problem statement on your own, that too effectively. So what is a good problem statement? You can read over here, that presents an opportunity of some significance, urgency, and priority. If we consider an example, to end poverty or to give good quality education, what we can do is you can digitize the education, you can solve the problems of um, even the rural areas and everything. So how you can solve those problems, you need to identify it, you need to do some research and then effectively create your problem statement. So what is a good, how to structure your problem statement? You can write it down in a way, who is experiencing the problem, basically the 4 W's. What is the problem, where and when is the problem occurring. Just I said, the problem may be occurring in rural area, the quality education, and then why is it a problem. So you can structure your problem and write it down in a proper way. You will get that 25 points or the impact section, under the impact section. Okay. You can drop your doubts. I'll try to solve it in at the end of the session. Next slide. Okay. Uh, just to help you all guys, I've made a checklist as well. So this is basically how you should proceed. इसका भी एक screenshot ले लो. So this is January going. In the like whatever week is left, what you can do is you can form a team, select good people, select United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, whatever 17 goals are there, you can choose those. select one of them. Then in the next month, like first week, you can identify a solution ki, okay, if I selected zero hunger as a sustainable development goal I want to solve, what problem statement I can create around it. Then you can select the technology you can use. You can learn that technology, design the front end interface, design the back end interface. You need to test your solution as well, so that is the important step. You need to iterate over it. If there is any problem, you need to check it again and again. Okay, as I mentioned, you need to record a demo video and submit it by March 31st, 2023. With that, there will be a PPT presentation as well from your side with the demo video. So that details you will get over the next few weeks from our side. So even if you are interested in signing up for this challenge, at the end of the session we will put a interest form in the chat section, and in the group as well. Just fill it. We will reach out to you with the next steps, and you can also ask anytime all the admins over there. Okay. So this is the submission and judging criteria. I've covered this in the previous slides as well. So we will go to the next slide. Siddesh, next. Okay. Let's see some of the common FAQs that people ask. Okay. Can my question solve a problem outside of the scope of 17 sustainable development goals or not? Obviously, the hackathon or the challenge is basically focused on 17 sustainable goals only, so you can't get distracted from other solutions. You need your challenge need to solve the 17 sustainable development goals. One more thing I want to mention, if you have any solution, or if you have any app that you have designed earlier in your last few years of engineering, or last 2 years, or maybe even in your school days, if you have any solution you have designed, you can even submit that. Not even school days, I'm really sorry. Just make sure अप्रैल 2022 के बाद का सोल्यूशन हो वो, या बाद का कोई प्रोजेक्ट हो दैट यू हैव मेड, दे जस्ट मेक श्योर कि कहीं से भी ये ना पता चले, इवन इफ दैट सोल्यूशन इज ओल्डर, कि यू हैव मेड इट दैट वे. You can redesign it, you can iterate over it, you can change the UI and everything. You can submit that as well, but make sure that is solving some SDG, and your problem statement and everything is using Google technologies as well. Okay, so if you want, can you be a part of two or three teams? No, you need to be a part of one team only. Um, how can you eligible for this challenge, or how can you eligible to participate in this hackathon or the solution challenge? Okay, you need to be a part of Google Developer Student Club's community page. In the next few minutes we will show you how you can be a part of it, but you need to be a part of any Google Developer Student Club. That is what mentioned in the third FAQ. Otherwise you will not be eligible. You can even make your team cross college inter college teams as well. You can even make your team out of Mumbai as well. Everything is fine, but you need to be a part of, suppose you are in SIS, so you need to be a part of Google Developer Student Club of SIESGST community page. You will find it on Google. We'll show you it as well, the demonstration. That is the only eligibility. You need to be a part of any Google Developer Student Club community page. Ask your friends as well. They can join our community page group as well. Through by joining the page, I'll tell you the benefits. You will get everything, like all the updates, what is happening. Even if we'll arrange the technical sessions and design day for you to help you in making your solution challenge projects, you will get direct update in your mail. So that is the benefits of joining the chapter page. But this is important. Note this point: you need to be a part of Google Developer Student Club community page. That is there. Okay, next slide. Okay, so we'll just show you the demonstration of how to join the Google Developer Student Clubs. Ayush.
Yes, Mehul. So I hope you guys have understood a good idea about what is solution channel, right? So the main initial part to be eligible, as Mehul mentioned, that you have to be a part of Google Developer Student Club chapter page, right? So to be part, you just have to search on Google GDSC SISGST and open the first link. And While you are on this page, click on Join Us and log in with any Google account you have and put in your basic information. Okay. And that's it. Just sign up on it and click on Join. And yes, that's it. You will be part of our chapter and eligible for Solution Challenge as a participant. Also, I would like to mention that you can join our Discord server to discuss about different ideas you have, or even team formation. You can come to us. We are available for you guys only and show the interaction with us. That's more important. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, that is a great point you should have mentioned. Okay, so we have community over every social media platform. If you have a Discord community of 400 people, we have a LinkedIn community of 500 plus people as well. We have WhatsApp community, which is close to completing 1000 members. And the official community page has around 900 plus members. So you will get a solid guidance from the seniors as well. Also, we have a dedicated team for you for the solution challenge. We'll come to it over the next few slides. Next slide, please, Siddesh. Okay, we have some tips from the past winners. Let us see it.
My advice to my fellow developers is your solution doesn't have to be perfect. It's not only about the code, it's also about the impact.
Keep on learning new things, focus on fundamentals, and trust the process. Don't forget to have fun throughout your learning journey.
Get to work together with a target group. Get to consult them, get ideas from them.
Identify your audience and try to interact with them so you find best ways to serve them.
Keep communicating with your team members. Constantly communicate from start to finish. It will make your solution better.
Everything is available online for free. You can learn how to build anything you want. It's just a matter of time and commitment.
When you have an idea, please make sure to take the small first step. From those small steps, big things can be made.
Consider the skill sets of your team members before choosing your idea. It'll help maximize the potential of your project while also ensuring that you're not biting off more than you can chew.
Even if you think it's just a small idea, be confident and try to realize it, because in the end, it might actually be the one idea that can help people all over the world.
Solve local problems and never let that learning attitude go away.
No matter how impossible it seems to learn a new technology, you can learn it. It is learnable.
Instead of trying to do many things at once, think about doing one more thing.
Break down your project into smaller pieces and take it one piece at a time to avoid getting overwhelmed by the complexity of your project.
Be able to communicate with your whole team. Remember, you don't win individually, but as a team.
There's a lot of people willing to help because we're students and also learners. So just try it.
Don't forget to step away from developers' point of view and fully reflect mentors and users' feedback.
Already set a deadline for achieve your goals. Deadlines keep you from being lazy.
If you have the knowledge to build something, then you hold the power to bring a change.
Find your why. Before getting into developing, it is really important to figure out your purpose to help keep you going.
Have faith in the creative synergy between you and your teammates, and the end result will be just worth it.
Always believe in your idea, believe in your project, and believe in yourself.
Okay, that's the best thing. Siddesh, yeah. Okay, just pause it. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, they mentioned ki, okay, just don't get fear out. Okay, you don't know any skills or you don't have enough skills to participate in this challenge. Just start with the idea. Just go, just follow believe in the process. You will, I'm sure, you're going to get something out of it after this 3 months. And I'm sure many of you will have good solutions that you will be submitting on March 31. So just believe in yourself and start forming a team, start selecting a sustainable development goal. Okay, I just want to address one question here. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So the first and foremost important thing is you need to be a part of Google Developer Student Club to be eligible for this challenge. Next is there is link available on Google to participate or to register for this solution challenge. You just need to fill a registration form which is there on the solution challenge official website. But before that, we also want to help you as a GDSC chapter. So what you can do is you can fill an interest form that will be putting soon in the chat section and also in the WhatsApp group, so that we will get an idea how many people are interested in being to participate in solution challenge. We are also planning many technical sessions on Flutter, Angular, also on Firebase, and every Google technologies out there for you to learn from it and to like use it, implement it in your solutions. We have a dedicated team. We have dedicated technical leads for every like every domain out there. If you are making a solution around web, you are making if you are making solution around app, if you are making solution around cyber, we have every expertise with us. You can just um, call us, you can just message us, and the people will be there to help you. Vedant, are you there? If you want to introduce yourself.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'm Vedan. I'm cybersecurity, blockchain, and open source lead. Yeah, and if you want like any help regarding the cybersecurity or blockchain technologies to implement your solutions, you can always approach our team. And yeah.
Yeah, okay. Purnami, are you there? Okay. I guess Purnami is not here. Not here. So she is here. Okay. Let us see. Okay. Purnami is a design and UI UX lead. So basically, if you want any help regarding the UI of or UX of your design of your solution, you can reach out to her. We will also planning to host a sessions on how to design your challenge or how to go ahead with designing your solution. So please attend that event. It will be a 2-day event for all of you, and it will be a free of cost event for everyone. So be there for that design day event as well. Okay. Rohit, are you there?
Yeah, I am here.
Yeah.
Uh, Good evening, everybody. I am Rohit Rakram, and I am the web and app lead. So, for all you guys who are going to be participating in this challenge, and whatever solution you all come up with, I guess a lot of them prefer to have a website or an application as a platform. So if you all have any doubts regarding how to start, how to land anything, or just get an overall idea of how I'm going to portray my solution, you can always approach our team and myself. We'll be there to guide you through every step.
Okay. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Yes, Mehul.
Yeah.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi Dixit, and I am here for ML and data science. So, if you are using anything related to data, machine learning, and even bits of artificial intelligence, I'm here, and the entire team of mine is here to help you guys. Just feel free to contact anytime.
Yeah, we are also going to plan many sessions for all of you regarding cybersecurity, regarding ML, who all are here. I just wanted to reveal one thing. We are coming up with a data science and machine learning bootcamp soon. So I want to see every one of you who all are here, basically who are all are from AIDS or AIML department. You can please join the bootcamp. It will be beneficial for you as well. And also, the other people who are not from our college, you can even join our community page, and we'll be there for you. You can just join our community groups. You can ask doubts over there if you are not from our college. Okay. Advice for all of you, like it is like everyone generally, to start moving in a direction. You will learn along the way. Don't ever over plan. You don't have to solve every problem mentioned out there. Just to start with the one that you feel that is meaningful to you, And also, you don't need to feel that you need to have a strong technical team to participate in this hackathon. You can just start with a group that is motivated to learn anything that will come along your way. So that is it from today. That is it from our side for today. Next slide. Yeah, so you can connect with us over here. You can also follow us everywhere on Instagram and Discord, and on also join our WhatsApp groups. You'll get every information. You can ask your doubts now if you have any. Just fill the interest form that we have shared. Rajiv, please share it again. We will check the tweets that you have done, and we will reach out to the person who wins the Twitter challenge as well. So there is a Twitter challenge as well. Whatever learnings you got from this session, you can tweet it and tag us. The best entries will win something. You can ask your queries, guys. Okay, you can basically prepare any solution that you feel is good to your problem statement or whatever goal you have selected. There is not a binding that you need to create a app or you need to create a web. I hope Sufyan, your question is solved. You are settled. Yeah, okay. Uh, Anything else you want you wanted to ask? Just fill the interest form, guys, if you are interested to be a part of solution challenge. Start making a team. You'll also get the details on our Instagram handle, so please do follow over there. You'll get the official registration link as well over there. If you need any help, you can just reach out to us anytime. In the group, you can put the doubts, or you can reach out to any of us personally as well. You can choose multiple goals as well, Raj. Just make sure your solution contain at least one sustainable goals. You can even make a solution that is like containing that is satisfying 17 sustainable goals, but obviously just focus on one such that you will not get distracted by creating everything. Just focus on one sustainable goals and try to solve it. Don't focus even on the prizes. Just focus on the journey that you will be going through, and you will learn a lot of things. We will help you, Arnav, for the team if you don't have any. So it will help you to connect with the good members. You can even participate individually as well. And all the first years over here, if just don't feel that you don't know anything right now, you don't have enough skills, just participate in the challenge. Even if you don't get to the even if you don't get to the top 100 list, don't worry. You can just learn a lot of things and you can use it in the other hackathons as well, or even you can come back to solution challenge next year and you can go ahead with this, because we have winners around us uh, who have won this competition. So also encourage your friends to participate in the solution challenge as well. Okay. Uh, that is it, guys, from our side. Okay. What can I do? I don't know app or web. I'm in FE. Okay. That's what I'm saying, Abhijit. We will be conducting sessions on Flutter. So there you can learn the app development. We are coming up with a session on web development as well. So as you can see on the screen, Shivam will teach you the web development. So we are there for you if you are interested or inspired to learn. So just be motivated enough to learn anything you want to implement your solution. That is the only thing required. I hope I am taking your name properly. So yeah, so we are taking sessions that will help you to learn web and app development. So not a Also, you can reach out to us. We will help you how to learn web and app, or if you need any help in implementing the solution. The URL to join WhatsApp group in the form is not working. Rajiv, please look over it. You can post the WhatsApp group ka link here as well, Rajiv. Uh, okay, guys. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the session. That is it from our side. Thank you so much for joining in. Uh, and thank you so much for participating in quiz as well. The top three winners will be contacted soon. Please reach out to Rajiv. How can we join GDSC team? Okay, so if you wanted to be on the other side of taking the sessions and everything, you need to wait till next year. For now, for this challenge as well, you can be a part of a community page or also the chapter page that we have shown the video. And also, you can please join our WhatsApp groups. You will get everything. You will get the update over there how you can join the team next year and everything. You can also join Sufyan. So we will be conducting sessions online, and we are there to help you every anytime. So you can even join our chapter and participate in this challenge with your team, with your friends as well. So there is not a uh, any problem of you, even if you are not from Mumbai or even if you're from anywhere from India, you can just join this challenge from anywhere. You can be a part of team from our college as well. So that doesn't matter. We'll reach out to we'll soon reach out to people who will fill the interest form. So make sure you fill the interest form so we can address all your queries. Okay. You can drop off, guys, if you don't have any queries.